Alright, you guys, I made it inside Lowe's, and yes, Christmas is here, you guys. I know it sounds really odd, but check out this tree, 498. Ooh, it's a 9-foot Hayden pine. Light functions, steady bright and warm white, 2-year warranty. If you're in the market for a tree, let me zoom out. There was a little boy next to me. I didn't want to get him on camera. 100 multicolored, 6.5 feet. And then you have your skinny. Are you guys a fan of skinny trees or fat trees? I love a good plump fatty one. I will always love a fatty one. I think a skinny one might do good, maybe by the door, hallway, upstairs.
Or if you have a studio apartment.
Oh yeah. Your flock pencil tree is 119. Oh gosh, they have little item numbers on it too. Okay, so you might want to check out online if you are in the market for a tree. A 7-foot. Let's see, this one's $219 and 258. me this is not cute. Look at Olaf. Shimmering a magic, a lighted, a tinsel. He's gonna be $40. And they do have the Mickey wreath, which you know what? I don't remember this one with like the pine cones on it. LED, it does light up for $59 and $98. Disney Mickey pine cone, if you want to look that up. Look at this one, $65. And you know they're together, and they have this one on top. That's gonna be Pluto for $65. And that's always here for $130. And if you're loving the light post, this year is gonna have the Mickey hat and ears. Let me see. It's way up here. So adorable. But look at this snowman Mickey. Oh my gosh. He has $35.98. And of course he's gonna light up. And they have Mickey and Minnie down here for $40.
The blow molds really.
And $25 for like the large plush. I believe $20.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Is she gonna do the same thing? You know what? I'm surprised they don't do like a Donald one or like a Goofy one. They always have Mickey. Oh, look at that. I almost missed it. $29 and $98. And these lights are $30. Here we go. Olaf, it looks like $15. And these are really cool. They're like Mickey ears and the little hat. This one's $40. And this one's gonna be more like traditional red for $40. Santa will be $70. It's a blow mold. I thought he was like made out of like plaster or something. And holiday living animated musical Santa. Let me see if I could get it without all the glare. Yeah, there's just so much glare. I believe there might be a picture. Okay, so we have this version. And this one. I like their little sweaters. They're so cool. So is he gonna swing back and forth? I know some do that. It is musical. And they have Mrs. Claus in here. Let me go to the other side. Really cute penguin at $29.98. Same with the snowman. You have your nutcracker and candy cane for $37. Letters to Santa is $40. Okay, I wasn't in the mood for Christmas, like I wasn't. But now looking at like, when I look at all the Disney stuff and then I see Santa, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's coming. $50. You know why? Because I'm thinking about the parades. You know, I'm gonna miss the parades. Okay, look at this one. Ooh, this is kind of cool. It's like a large one.
Oh yeah. Is that a blow mold too?
Yeah, let's see. Indoor, outdoor. It is. That is kind of cool. It reminds me of the glass ones, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, actually it looks just like it.
So this one, the blow mold vintage tree is $70.
That's cool.
That is a cool one. They have a little bit of gold. 6 count for $9.98. Let's see, I'm pretty sure these are $9.98, so not bad. $33. Oh, look, white or colored. Oh, I love this garland with the
nice
pine
garland.
cones on it. $50. I do love to put garland on my stairs, but the only thing I notice about the garland each year, they seem to look more cheap for, yeah. But I like the pine cones. I wonder if I could just buy pine cones and put them on my thing.
Well, this even looks like thicker garland than we have.
Yeah, after hopefully.
It's 9 foot.
The flock is $50, of course. And you know what? I'm kind of feeling the flock, you guys. I know it's really messy, but I don't know. Maybe I need a white Christmas. I don't know. $29.98 for this one. This little tree right here is going to be $17.
Let's go flock our house in.
This has little... Oh, look at this one. We have another mantle. Pre-lit, so $24.98.
Oh, here's a mantelpiece too.
Yeah, I know. I think
We
we
need a
have
new
we
one.
have one for the mantle.
Yeah, we had no-
This one has a little bit of glitter in it, like shimmer tinsel. $10.98. And just like your plain one, looks like 15. They are pre-lit, except for the tinsel one. Oh my gosh, I hear Christmas music. Let me turn around. Oh, just a tad, not as much. Normally they have, you know, their villages all out. And but the only thing, I wish they had it like at a lower level.
You guys can see it. Yeah. You know this, the big one up top kind of reminds me of the stuff they have at Costco. That big
Oh,
one
that big
back there.
one. Let me see if I can zoom in. There we go. Yeah, it does look like the one from Costco. And you have this one.
I like that tree lot. That's pretty cool.
This one right here.
I just wish they didn't have people attached to it. That kind of drives me nuts.
And then up here is like a library. Oop. And a Ferris wheel. Yeah, they're all the way up top. Why you do this to us? And then this one. He's 20. Santa, go Santa, go. And that's kind of cool. It's a little countdown.
Mm-hmm.
Advent calendar. Yeah, that advent calendar one is 100.
Ski slope? Is that what that is?
Let's
Oh,
see.
nice. Okay.
That's 80. The coffee shop will be 40. Same with your library. The Lowe's store is 50. Oh, look, they have a little camping one.
That's neat.
That's kind of cool. And then over here we have Joy for $14.98. Trees by Allen and Roth, $25. And this one's gonna light up for $14.98. I feel like this one is really, really cute. I do know they have one in Sam's Club, but I feel like that is like much cuter. Okay, Merry Christmas is 40. Let me go around this stairs. Look at that deer. It's a gold deer for 25. And the sitting one will be 17. 17 more angels by Allen and Roth. And these are 20 and you will get 2. And that nutcracker with no face. Teddy bear. Oh, are these for, oh, perfect for tabletop or mantle. Okay, they're like little mini ones, 22 inch. Okay, they're $10. I thought they were gonna be the ones like for your car. Snowman, elephant, joy to the world. These are 40. You have the tree and penguino for $40. Don't forget about your polar bear. And if you love the Grinch, $59.98. Same with Bumble. And then we have Mickey, of course. Look at that big Santa head. Just a big Santa head on your front. $89.98. And the snowman. And then this one has a little doggy for $80. That is actually really cute. Oh, look at him. He is 109. He's a swaying snowman. He will make music. That is pretty cool. Like a jazzy snowman. Get your jazz on. And that is 120. So this big tree right in front is a 12-foot for $798. And of course, Santa, you gotta write him letters, you guys. Don't forget, Santa needs mail. And don't forget to talk about your dog. Your dog needs stuff too. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in Lowe's. Just a little peek. I know they're gonna add more home decor. Normally they do add more nutcrackers, angels, and wreath, and a Santa. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.